Your car is more than just a vessel to get you from point A to point B. It helps create memories. It helps you unwind and relax. It tells people that you're someone who appreciates the finer things in life. Cars like the Mercedes-Benz GLE, they align with your senses of touch, taste, smell, sight and sound. And I'm going to show you how it does all of that, brings all of that together and transforms your car ownership experience and leaves you restless for tomorrow. First impressions are created by the way a car looks. The ability of its design to captivate your vision and that of others can certainly have a strong influence on your opinions. And I think it's safe to say that the GLE does a fine job of grabbing eyeballs. The styling of the Mercedes-Benz GLE is a visual treat, with its butch SUV appeal, a powerful stance and unmatched road presence. Inside, the GLE's cabin exudes elegance with its modern yet functional dashboard setup, dominated by twin 12.3-inch screens. The beautifully crafted center console with grab handles helps accentuate the GLE's off-road credentials. Providing a clear vision of the road ahead at night are all LED headlamps. LEDs light up the rear tail lamps as well, with the signature Mercedes-Benz SUV pattern leaving onlookers in no doubt about the badge it wears. Customers of the three-pointed star are a discerning lot, men and women of good taste. They appreciate the finer things in life and they expect the same from their vehicle. Well, the Mercedes-Benz GLE delivers on that front with tastefully appointed chrome and silver exterior finishes as well as luxurious interiors. When you step inside the vehicle, it isn't just the visual impact the design has, but the way the surfaces, switchgear and controls feel. The GLE's cabin is a stellar example of fine craftsmanship. With tastefully appointed interiors and a plethora of ambient lighting options, the GLE is bound to draw appreciation. The driver is greeted by fine open-pore wood trim that mates beautifully with the Artico leather, creating a luxurious ambience. The knobs, buttons and controls within the cabin exude class, relaying a sense of luxury with every touch of your fingertip. Speaking of the sensation of touch, like other Mercedes-Benz products, the GLE too gets the touch control concept, which basically means that the driver has at his or her fingertips access to all driver-centric functions as well as the infotainment unit via touch inputs. The touchpads on the steering wheel let you browse through the instrument panel menus and access the much talked about MBUX. The user also gets control via the touch-enabled 12.3-inch central display and the highly intuitive touchpad, which offers haptic feedback, making navigating through menus and options a breeze. The smart 4-zone climate control system inside the cabin of the Mercedes-Benz GLE doesn't just let you control temperatures individually. It also keeps your nose happy by blocking out foul smells, pollutants and all harmful chemicals that may be present in the air outside. A capable climate control system goes a long way in creating an ambience of luxury and comfort within the cabin. The GLE's 4-zone climate control effectively keeps out all unwanted elements to ensure a pleasant experience for the occupants. Adding to the feeling of space and comfort in the GLE is its best-in-class long wheelbase, offering loads of room for you to stretch your legs out. car, there are sounds you want to hear and there are sounds you want muted out, and that's exactly what Mercedes-Benz has focused on with the GLE. The GLE cocoons its occupants, blocking out outside noise, along with minimal intrusion from sounds generated by the operation of the engine, suspension, and even electric motors for seat adjustments. You hear only what you want to hear with the high-end audio system that comes with the GLE that creates quite the aural experience. Alignment with your sense of sound is enhanced further with the latest MBUX infotainment suite, which lets users interact with the vehicle with its natural voice control. Hey Mercedes.
What can I do for you?
The GLE takes things a step further with a sixth sense of sorts, as it sees and anticipates things the driver might miss, with features like active brake assist and blind spot assist keeping occupants safe. With the new GLE, Mercedes-Benz has left no stone unturned to create a package that doesn't leave you hungry for more, reinforcing the brand's message to the world: the best or nothing.